Corporal.
All right, I'm Gary. I'm the foreman. I can show you, mate. Just over here.
Right, OK. I need a better vantage point. Is that building safe?
Yes, mate.
OK.
Could it, like, blow any minute?
Theoretically, yes. We need to get that drain, Corporal. Is that your cabin?
Yeah.
Mind if we use it?
Help yourself.
Thanks, Gary. You can go now.
Thank God.
Right, we'll make that our ICP, so I want to get some protection built around it. Sappers to go behind there, and we'll meet with the suits in the ICP.